Hi everyone, this is Brad from drums1on1.com. This video we're going to talk about how to apply paradiddles to the drum kit. Playing paradiddles in this way on the kit is going to help you to gain independence, and it's also going to give you some ideas. At first, some of these patterns sound a little blah because there's no, if you're playing them right as written, especially the first few exercises, if you're playing them even and smoothly, there's not a whole lot of excitement in those patterns. But if you're playing them well and you're getting them nice and smooth, nice and even, then you can build on that in the future, and you can add accents, you can leave notes out, you can add notes. You can change the sticking around a little bit. Don't just stick with paradiddles, but maybe change the second part of the second paradiddle, or experiment with different types of stickings that are basically a paradiddle type pattern. But I find a lot of times leaving notes out and accents are a really good way to try to come up with a different sound, a different feel. And it gets away from just an exercise. It actually turns it into something interesting that you can build on. Exercise 1 should be no accents, so try to keep it as even and as smooth as you can. Just play eighth notes with the right hand, and then there's going to be eighth notes between the right foot and the left hand. Exercise 2 is similar to 1, except instead of playing a straight eighth note pattern with your hand, you're going to have your right hand follow your right foot. Exercise 3 is similar to exercise 1. The only difference is now your paradiddles between your left hand and right foot are 16th notes instead of 8th notes. So you're going to be playing 2 notes to every 8th note ride right hand that you're playing. Exercise 4 is exercise 3 with accents added. So variation 1 is left hand backbeat on 2 and 4, and then variation 2 is the backbeat with the second 16th note after 1 and 3. Exercise 5 and 6 are the same pattern. 5 is the pattern without accents, 6 is the pattern with accents. The ride pattern is not going to be exactly 16th notes, so you're going to have 1. So that's what you're playing with the right hand, or whatever hand you're using for the ride. Exercise 7 is the reverse of 5 and 6. So instead of playing this ride pattern, now you're playing Be sure to check the links in the video description for the PDF download of all these exercises so you can work on them on your own time. Also, I'd love to hear from you if you leave a comment down in the comments section and tell me what kinds of videos you'd like to see. I'm looking for ideas and I want to know the types of things everybody wants to see. Also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Just click the link at the right lower corner. And visit drums1on1.com for private lessons and other resources. So check it out and hope to see you soon. Thanks for watching. Happy drumming.